In a quiet forest, animals sensed a storm brewing. Birds whispered, "Feel the air change." Rabbits nodded. The ground trembles. A wise old owl hooted, "Prepare, friends." As the sky darkened, creatures scurried to safety. "Trust your instincts," the owl advised. The storm roared, but the animals were safe, huddled together. "We listened," chirped a sparrow, "and survived." The sun emerged and the forest sang with life. "Nature speaks," the owl reminded. "We must hear." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.